Okay, so it literally is very late. I think it's like 7:45ish. I have here in a container a my camera is not focusing correctly. This is a jasmine. I don't know what kind of jasmine it is, but it smells so delicious, so good. So it is being soaked in, you can't really see it, water. And here I have rooting hormones, which I cannot focus because I am outside and it's late and I have no light. So I'm going to dip the cuttings into the rooting hormones, and this here is a small container of potting soil, and I'm gonna stick the the cutting into the potting soil, and the pot is extremely small. Sorry, I try to focus my camera here, and it's not doing any good, and I'm gonna just water it. Oops. So basically just keep it water, keep it moist, and hopefully the roots take. The cutting, I try to cut the part that is very strong so that way it will take root and it will form. But generally I don't know if it's going to take root. For me, it's harder to root jasmine than any other plant. I can just root any plant, but for this particular jasmine I cannot for some weird reason. But this is what you would do. You would need rooting hormones, you need potting soil, and you just have to put the cutting into rooting hormones, and then you put it in the soil. Now I did root a bunch of other stuff with just rooting hormones, topsoil, not topsoil, but just potting soil, and then just keep it water. Anytime you root a plant or anytime you root anything, keep it away from the sun, because number one, you don't want the sun to dry it up. Number two, you don't want the cutting get very burnt. If it get burned, then the cutting will actually die. So this is, I am going to put it underneath the tree, and then we'll see how it goes. But you really can't see it. The cutting is actually very long and very strong. So hopefully it takes root and I will have a jasmine plant to share.